Do officers ever fail to show up at a DUI trial in Illinois? Attorney William Margolin explains that. In Lake County, officers never show up for any pretrial. They are not required to be in court unless there is some sort of contested motion, such as a motion to suppress or any other pretrial motion before the case goes to trial. There are various motions I can file to challenge the validity of the stop or the validity of certain evidence, or of a suspension which might be imposed on my client as to whether or not they blew into the machine or not. They're only required to show up for the contested motions, pretrial motions, or trial. There are occasions where officers don't show up for any of these. The prosecutor will send out a subpoena for the officer to show up, and there could be various reasons why they may not, from them forgetting, to them being sick or on vacation, or even situations where they're working a major crime at the time and they just cannot show up. If it's a legitimate reason why they are not there, more often than not, the judge will give them a continuance. In situations where the officer doesn't show up and nobody has an idea why the officer isn't there, which is more often than not, the judge will probably give them a continuance because it is a DUI charge. But the judge will be a little more upset if the prosecutor can't give the judge a legitimate reason as to why the officer isn't there. The vast majority of times, they do show up. Schedule a free consultation with attorney William Margolin in Waukegan, Illinois today. He has over 29 years of criminal trial experience and over 24 years of experience in legal representation for Secretary of State driver's license reinstatement hearings.